Now, blow out the candles. And this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Okay, girls, let her rip. Wait a minute, girls. Who's it from?
There's no name. Just this picture of a banana.
The Powerpuff Girls are moments away from their demise. Once they open that box, I, Mojo, will rule the world.
Sit down, Mojo. You haven't defeated anyone yet. And when your present backfires, I'll have my chance to exterminate those brats.
Yeah, and if the princess gets rid of him, then we'll get rid of him with our present. Yeah!
Shut up! In a few moments, there won't be any presents. Whatever you had planned will be destroyed, along with the Powerpuff Girls. Behold, the end is near.